and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great, and thank you so much for tuning in today. So today's video is going to be in collaboration with the beautiful Designed by a Daisy. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to her channel down in the description box. She has amazing content on her channel. She does a lot of home decor haul videos, home decorating videos, event planning videos, event decorating videos, and she's just so sweet. I would love for you guys to check her out and make sure that you subscribe and let her know that I sent you guys. So today's video will be a tour of my entryway. I have a very small entryway, so I wanted it to make a big impact, and I wanted people to know my design style and my personality. I'm going to show you guys a picture of the before when we first moved in, and I'm also going to show you guys a picture of the transition period. So if you're interested in this video, just keep watching. So as soon as you walk in, I have these two ottomans right here that I got from Farah from Inspire Me Home Decor. This is part of her QVC collection, and guys, oh my gosh, I love this ottomans. The color, the design is just so beautiful, and the price is amazing. I got it for $29.99, and this is a great deal, guys. I'll link it in the description box if you're interested. This is where we store our hats, gloves, and I have two underneath my console table. So right beside it here, I have this lantern that I got from Ross. It was $27.99. I was originally going to paint it silver, but I decided to leave it white. It is huge, guys. And I placed some candles in there. Obviously, I am not lighting these candles. It is only for decorative purposes. And I think it really goes well with the space. I love it. And right on top, I added this Totally Dazzle brooch, and I think it goes really well with the lantern. So right beside it here, I have my console table. I got this about 3 years ago from Wayfair, and it is still looking beautiful. It was about $150 when I got it, and it is such a functional piece. And it is definitely the right size for my entryway, and I love it. You guys already know that I love mirrored furnitures, so it is beautiful. So right on top of my console table, I have my beautiful lamp that I got from HomeGoods about 2 years ago, and it really goes well with that glam look that I was going for. And right beside it here, I have this beautiful storage boxes that I got from TJ Maxx. I love this top. It is like a marble top, and that really drew me to it. Of course, the navy blue drew me to it, but the top is just really, really beautiful. I love the color and the design. The smaller one was $12.99, and the larger one was about $16.99, and I placed them right on top of each other. And then I also have my beautiful floral arrangement here that I also got from TJ Maxx. It is really, really beautiful, guys. Like, it adds that extra pop of color, and it is a perfect like spring refresh for me. And I just have some string lights around it. I absolutely love this floral arrangement. And right beside that, I have this three beautiful candlesticks here. They're not the same, but they were all from TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. The taller one was from HomeGoods, and then the two smaller ones I got on clearance after Christmas, and they're absolutely beautiful. And I have my candles on top. And let's talk about my beautiful mirror. This is supposed to be like a Z Gallery dupe. I got this from Wayfair, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. So I wanted a mirror that would make a statement in my small little entryway, and I think this does that really, really well. I love it. So let's go on to the other side. So on the other side, I have my rug. I got a smaller rug for my entryway, and this is also part of the Inspire Me Home Decor collection on QVC. I think I paid about 32.95 for it, and I love it. It's really, really beautiful. So right beside it, I have this ottoman or storage bench that I got from TJ Maxx, and this is where the kids store like their shoes and stuff. And of course, I love the color. It was about $79.99 from TJ Maxx online, and I have a pillow from Burlington on top with a rug from Ross. So right beside that, I decided to add some curtains just to kind of take the eye high because I have a very low ceiling in my entryway. So I decided to add this beautiful sheer curtain that I got from Walmart, and I used command hooks to hook that up on both sides of that window, and I think it really takes your eye high and gives the illusion of a higher ceiling. So right beside that, I have these three mirrors on the wall. I chose to do this instead of a full length like a mirror because of my space, and I think it looks really nice. So the door that's right beside the curtain actually leads into my office. So I had to change out the door from what I had before. What I had there before looked like legit bedroom doors, okay? So I went to Home Depot and I got this inexpensive door. I painted it white, and then I also added this privacy film that I got from Walmart just to kind of hide you from what's all the mess going on behind that door. But I really love this door. It has a modern look. So going up the stairs, I have this pictures of my family, a gallery picture. Everything that I used for this came from Ross, y'all. Like, I love the way everything came together. And the saying also came from Ross. It says, "When I count my blessings, I count you twice." I also stained my railings to match my floor, and then I painted my spindles white. So let's talk about my chandelier. Guys, this was a DIY, yes. Okay, so the actual frame came from Wayfair. This is what it looked like before. I have one in the hallway, and then I have one right at the front entrance. The way that my ceiling is, I have a very low front entrance ceiling, so I couldn't really get like that big chandelier that I wanted, so I had to improvise. So it comes with crystals on the inside, but that is it. So I decided to add more crystals to it to drop, and then I also added levels, so I have 5 different tiers of crystal balls dropping down, and I think it really creates like that chandelier look without actually having like a nice big chandelier there. But I absolutely love the way this turned out. But I didn't change the one that's in the hallway. I only changed the front entrance one, and I think that it looks really nice. Let me know if you guys want to see how I did this. I could definitely share it with you. I bought a very cheap like chandelier crystals on Amazon, and that is what I used to DIY this to get it the way that I wanted. I also made this beautiful clock with my family's pictures. It says, "Time spent with family is worth every second." This was a Pinterest inspired DIY. I absolutely love displaying like my family's pictures all around my home. Maybe a little old school, but I loved seeing it every day. So that is it for this video. Please like this video and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed day. Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.